Hello friends, welcome to the MOOCs on Entrepreneurship Development. We are into the sixth module, which is on different legislations and the acts. In this video, we will discuss regarding the second act, which is the Shop and Establishment Act 1953. The contents of this presentation, there is a brief introduction of course, then the premises regulated by the Shop and the Establishment Act, then the different aspects regulated by the Shop and Establishment Act. This act was enacted in 1953 and it is by every state in the country. It is one of the important regulations to which most businesses in India are subject to. The act is designed to regulate the payment of wages, hours of work, leave, holiday, terms of service and other work conditions of the people employed in the shop and commercial establishments. This act is regulated by the Department of Labor and regulates the premises wherein any trade or business or profession is carried out. The act not only regulates working of commercial establishments, but also the societies, charitable trusts, printing establishments, education institutions for profit and premises in which banking, insurance, stock or share brokerage takes place. This act is promulgated by the state governments and may slightly differ from state to state. Shops are defined as premises where the goods are sold either by retail or wholesale or where services are rendered to the customers and includes an office, a storeroom, a godown, warehouse or workhouse or a workplace. Establishments are defined as a shop, a commercial establishment, residential hotels, restaurants, eating houses, theatres or other places of public amusement or entertainment. Further, the establishments may also include such other establishments as defined by the governments by notification in the official gazette. However, the factories are not covered under this act. The Shop and Establishment Act regulates a number of aspects relating to the operation of a shop or commercial establishment. Some of the key areas regulated by the Shop and Establishment Act include the hours of work, intervals for the rest and for the meals, prohibition of employment for the children, employment of young persons or the women, opening and closing hours, then the closed days, weekly holidays, wages for the holidays, time and conditions of payment of wages, deduction from the wages, leave policy, dismissal, cleanliness, lighting and ventilation, precaution against fire, accidents and record keeping. So, this is in very brief about this act. For more details, you can see the online content. Thank you.